Have you ever wondered what the future of medicine might look like? An intriguing question, isn't it? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities that lie ahead in the field of medicine. The pace of medical advancements is rapidly accelerating, opening up a world of potential that was unimaginable just a few decades ago. We're standing on the brink of a revolution in healthcare, with advances that promise to transform our understanding of the human body. Let's delve into the past and present to predict what the future holds for medicine. The journey of medicine through time is nothing short of miraculous. Let's take a moment to appreciate this journey, starting with the discovery of antibiotics in the early 20th century. This was a game changer, transforming medicine and saving countless lives. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, when the first successful heart transplant was performed, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible in surgical procedures. Then came the late 20th century, where we witnessed the mapping of the human genome, an accomplishment that unlocked a whole new understanding of our biological blueprint. It's been a remarkable journey, hasn't it? But the role of technology in this journey cannot be overstated. From the introduction of medical imaging techniques like MRI and CT scans, to the development of minimally invasive surgical procedures, technology has been the catalyst, accelerating medical advancements at an unprecedented pace. And the journey is far from over. Today, we are standing at the forefront of numerous groundbreaking research and developments. Personalized medicine is becoming more of a reality, allowing treatments to be tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. Gene therapy is holding the promise of potentially curing genetic diseases at their source. And then there's nanotechnology, with its potential to revolutionize drug delivery and diagnostics. These advancements lead us to the brink of a new era in medicine. The future of medicine holds limitless possibilities. From the fascinating timeline of medical advancements we've discussed, a few key points rise to the surface. First, the integration of technology into healthcare is not just inevitable, it's already happening. From artificial intelligence to genomics, these advancements promise a future where diagnosis and treatment are more precise, personalized, and effective. Second, these advancements have far-reaching implications. For medical professionals, it means an ever-evolving practice demanding continuous learning and adaptability. For patients, it hints at a future where diseases are detected earlier, treatments are less invasive, and recovery times are shorter. And for the healthcare industry, it signals a shift towards more preventative, predictive, and personalized care. However, with these changes comes the need for adaptability. Keeping pace with these advancements will require continuous learning, a thirst for knowledge, and a willingness to embrace change. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, one can only marvel at the future of medicine and its potential to revolutionize health and well-being.